The channel plan editor will allow you to create new channel plans or edit previously created channel plans in an effortless way. To create a new channel plan, we need to press the Create Channel Plan button. Then choose a name for the channel plan and for which band it will be used. The Config button will make a special window pop up with some advanced parameters. Average filter. This will activate an averaging filter. No averaging is used with 0, and we increase the averaging by increasing this value. Start and stop frequency will define the minimum and maximum frequencies covered in this channel plan. The spectrum analysis screen in full span, when using this channel plan, will only display the bandwidth comprised between the defined start and stop frequencies. We will add new channels into this channel plan by pressing the Add Channel button. Each channel must be defined with a frequency and a modulation standard. Once we are done, we can download the channel plan by pressing the Download Channel Plan button. In order to upload it into the meter, we will need to drag it from the PC to the File Manager window, to the corresponding channel folder in the installation that we want to include this channel plan. To edit an existing channel plan, we will need to go to the File Manager, choose the channel plan of interest, right-click over it, and select Edit Channel Plan. The channel plan editor will open up so that we can add, erase, or modify any number of channels. Once in the channel plan editor, we can proceed, as explained before, and when we are done, download the edited channel plan.